Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into 10 simple habits that can boost both your physical and mental health every single day. Before we jump into today's video, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Alright, let's get into it. Here are 10 simple habits you can start today to give your health a serious boost. 1. Hydrate first thing in the morning. Start your day by drinking a glass of water to wake up your metabolism. 2. Move your body with morning stretches. A quick morning stretch gets your blood flowing and reduces stiffness. 3. Eat a balanced breakfast. Include protein, healthy fats, and fiber to keep you full and stabilize energy levels. 4. Get some fresh air. Fresh air can reduce stress, improve mood, and increase creativity. 5. Take breaks to move. Remember to take short breaks to stretch or walk to keep your body active. 6. Practice mindful eating. Enjoy your food and chew slowly to prevent overeating. 7. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Keep a water bottle with you and drink consistently. 8. Limit screen time before bed. Reduce screen time 30 minutes before bed to improve sleep quality. 9. Practice gratitude. Take a few minutes each day to think about what you're grateful for. 10. Get enough sleep. Make sure you're getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. And there you have it, 10 simple habits to improve your health. Which habit are you excited to try? If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. We appreciate your suggestions. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.